Well, having me a Sunday morning walkabout. Just rainy, drizzly, thinking about stuff. That's the original 1890, 1870s roundhouse building. New diesel shop. All mothballed. 40-2. Parked. And rain. Wipe that off. See the thumbprint. 38E. That's interesting. And then a white face. Didn't know this one was over here. Now I found the Jeep 60s, Bs, where they went. Traction motor. For something. More of those. I'll get up on this closer. Using this for maintenance away service anymore. This is interesting. Lots of graffiti, but Great Northern Reporting Mark. I didn't know that was there. Anyway, 1991 special. And back to our Jeep 60s. Already got the number boards out of that one. And that one. Becoming common to see that. Number boards are missing. Huh. Remote control took unit. That's interesting. The H1 scheme. And Jeep 39. And then we got all these stored Macs. And more Jeeps. Just stored, dead, locked up. They say they're hurting for power. I don't know. Get a little 70 Max. Dead and tied down. make a right pan here. A warehouse building. More parked units. Anyway, I'll lower the turntable and call it a video. Sure, there are days. Being a set, I figures they should have this place open. I'm sure there are days when they're happy they don't. This area here is kind of a cool shot. When this concrete pad is the old service track area. And the turntable's over here. Walk on in after we walk by this 40. Depot. I got the turntable locked in place, I suppose. Oh wow, it's even chock full of water. They got all the drains concreted shut. There's a nice skeeter breeder. Holy cow. That's ugly. Yeah, that's what you get. Shut things down. Nobody to maintain anything. That was a Sunday morning walk around.